Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with price action. Let's start now. You can see this is AUD USD chart. The previously trend was going down. Let's see what happened on the next candle. If I get a right opportunity, then I will be place a trade, otherwise I didn't place a trade. So let's see what happened here. Okay, I'm placing here a higher option. I'm placing here a higher option and I'm 100% sure about this candle. It will be definitely close above my entry point as a green candle, not as a red candle. So let's see what happened here. It's moving as a red candle, but no issue about that. It will be definitely close above my entry point and as a green candle maybe. So let's see what happened here. Okay, so this is my first trade and I will be win this trade. So let's move to another trade. Okay, again I am placing here a higher option. Again I am placing here a higher option and I am sure about this candle. It will be definitely close on my entry point or above my entry point. It's never close below my entry point. So let's see what happened here. Okay, you can see at just one pip up on my entry point, so it's my winning trade. Because of my entry point I get a winning trade. So let's see another trade. Again I am placing here a higher option, but I get a little bit late entry. If candle is come down, then I will be again place one more trade. This trade maybe I will be lost because of my entry point. I'm not sure about that candle. I'm getting a little bit late entry, but I think it will be closed as a green candle. It's never closed as a red candle. Okay, luckily I think I will be win this trade, but I'm not sure on this candle. Okay. Okay, so this is also my winning trade. Let's do one more trade here. Okay, I'm placing here a higher option because of the rejection point. I just get a good opportunity, then I will be place a immediately trade here with marginal safety. So let's see what happen here. Till now there is no enter in the buyers. Maybe this candle close above my entry point. Okay, buyers are trying to enter. Okay. Okay, this one also my winning trade. Let's do one more trade and it's my last trade. Already we are winning 4 trade here. So let's do one more trade. If I get a right opportunity then I will place a trade, otherwise I didn't place a trade. I want to be go with the buyers only because of the minor trend. So I'm waiting for the right opportunity. So I'm not get any confirmation to go with buyers or sellers here. It's right now fight between buyers and sellers. So we are not considered to go with buyers or sellers. Just wait for the right opportunity. Okay, buyers are in enter in the market. Okay, I'm placing here a higher option. Sorry. I'm placing here a higher option and I'm 100% sure about this candle. It will be definitely close above my entry point. Maybe it's closed as a weak candle and a red candle, but it will be close above my entry point. Just wait for the. Okay, if I lose my trade here because of the fast momentum, no worry about that losses. I will be recover my loss on the next candle. Okay, very good entry point. I get a very good entry point to go with buyers here. Let's see what happened here. So I'm sure here it will be definitely close above my entry point. It's going up. Okay, you can see it's closed as a green candle and above my entry point, and I will be recover my previous loss also. So thank you very much for the watching my video. If you want to be learn price action, pure price action, then you can contact me. My contact number in the description below. I'll provide online classes by Zoom meeting. If you want to be learn some sure shot, then you can contact me immediately. If I start a new class from Monday, then you will be add in the class. Okay, so you can contact me, I'll be information you. Okay, thank you very much for the watching my video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.